Needless to say. Needless to say, safety comes first. Needless to say, we had a great time. Needless to say, everyone was surprised.
No doubt. No doubt, it was the right decision. No doubt, we'll succeed. No doubt, you'll improve with practice.
At first glance. At first glance, it looks easy. At first glance, it seemed like a good idea. At first glance, the answer was obvious.
For the record. For the record, I never said that. For the record, it wasn't my idea. For the record, I warned you earlier.
At least for now. At least for now, everything is under control. At least for now, we don't need to worry. At least for now, the weather is good.
If anything. If anything, this experience made me stronger. If anything, I learned an important lesson. If anything, I'm even more motivated now.
Before you know it. Before you know it, your hard work will pay off. Before you know it, it'll all make sense. Before you know it, you'll speak English confidently.
Sooner or later. Sooner or later, you'll find the answer. Sooner or later, things will get better. Sooner or later, you'll reach your goal.
Every now and then. Every now and then I go for a long walk. Every now and then, it's good to take a break. Every now and then, I rewatch my favorite film.
For better or worse. For better or worse, that's the reality. For better or worse, this decision will change everything. For better or worse, we're in this together.
In a way. In a way, it was my fault. In a way, nothing has changed. In a way, I understand how you feel.
If I were you. If I were you, I'd take a break. If I were you, I'd apologize. If I were you, I'd think about it.
What would you do if? What would you do if you had more free time? What would you do if your car broke down? What would you do if you had to start over?
What should I do? What should I do to get this job? What should I do to improve my English? What should I do to lose weight?
As long as we work together, we'll succeed. As long as it's safe, I'm fine with it. As long as you're happy, I'm happy.
All things considered. All things considered, it was a good decision. All things considered, I'm happy with the result. All things considered, we did quite well.
At the same time. At the same time, it's worth trying. At the same time, we need to be careful. At the same time, I don't want to rush.
In the long run. In the long run, hard work pays off. In the long run, you'll thank yourself. In the long run, good habits make a huge difference.
It's worth doing. It's worth trying. It's worth waiting a little longer. It's worth giving it another chance.
There's no point in. There's no point in arguing. There's no point in waiting any longer. There's no point in blaming yourself.
I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to starting my new job. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. I'm looking forward to spending time with my family.
I'm used to. I'm used to getting up early. I'm used to working long hours. I'm used to the cold weather.
Be supposed to. I'm supposed to be at work by 9. You're supposed to wear a seatbelt. What am I supposed to do?
There's no way. There's no way that's true. There's no way we can finish today. There's no way I'm paying that much.
As far as I'm concerned. As far as I'm concerned, it's the best option. As far as I'm concerned, you're absolutely right. As far as I'm concerned, we've done enough.
I used to. I used to live in a small town. I used to drink a lot of coffee. I used to work from home.
I wish. I wish I had more free time. I wish I could speak English like a native speaker. I wish I had started earlier.
Would you mind? Would you mind speaking a little slower? Would you mind waiting for me? Would you mind repeating that?
The sooner, the better. The sooner we leave, the better. The sooner you start, the better. The sooner we decide, the better.
Had better. We'd better hurry. We'd better not be late. You'd better leave now.